Good morning, guys. It's Brian for Delta Fowlers. Going out here to trying to catch some fish again this morning. It's a beautiful day, a beautiful morning. We've had a cold spell come through Mississippi, and it's been cold for the last few days in the morning, and it warms up, you know, 60 degrees, 62 degrees in the afternoon. So we're gonna get out here and try to get at it, try to catch a fish and see what we can do. I got my old friend Bella here. She loves to go fishing. So we're gonna get at it here and see what we can do, y'all. Stay tuned. Get him, Bella. Get him, Bella. Good girl. Good girl, Bella. Here. You almost got him. Good girl, Bella. Good girl. You almost got him. You almost got him, girl. Where the ducks? Where the birds? Where the birds? Go get them, Bella. Where the ducks? Good girl, Bella. Good girl. Shit. Get on there. Throw it right back in there and got him. Heck yeah. What I'm talking about, baby. He hit it, let it go first time. Throw it right back in there the second time. He hit it again. Had to have it, didn't you? Bella, he had to have it, baby. He couldn't let it go. Hell yeah, Bella, look at that, baby. We're gonna eat good tonight, baby. We're gonna eat good tonight, Bella. No, you're too little. Too little, Bella. Bella, here. Heel. Mark. Good girl. Good girl. Mark. Back. Good girl. Good girl. Come on, girl. Come on, girl. Good girl. That's my girl. That's my girl. Good girl, Bella. Hey, Bella. Hey, girl. Hey, what's going on, guys? It's Brian for Delta Fowlers. I'm finished fishing for the day, and let me tell you, boy, it was rough fishing. I only caught 4, and I kept them. I guess I'm about to start doing what I used to do back in high school and college. Is when the fish wasn't biting, keep every damn thing I catch until I get enough to make a fish fry. I went fishing the other day and only caught 2, and I wound up throwing them back because I only had 2 of them. Well, the 4 I caught today, my God, I kept them. I'm gonna wind up keeping them. I've already filleted them and got them on Ziploc bag and got them in the freezer and everything. It is man, it's a beautiful day outside. Not a cloud in the sky, about 60 degrees. It's absolutely just wonderful. So I'm gonna stay outside all day long and just tinker around, just see what I can do. My Higdon Pulsator, it quit working. I thought it was a bilge pump not working, but I got the Higdon to send me another one, and they got good customer service, real good customer service. I told them it went out. I thought it was a bilge pump. They sent me another one in the mail. So I don't think it's the bilge pump because this one ain't working. I took the internal battery out right here, and the wires in there look like it's been corroded. So I sent them an email and told them that, so I'm just waiting to hear back on their response on that. But anyway, if y'all want y'all Delta Fowlers logo right here, go to www.deltafowlers.com and order you one, or shoot me a message on Instagram or comment below. I do have some t-shirts, some new designs we're coming up with that should be on the website pretty soon for sale. I know it's kind of slow right now, not being hunting season or around any holidays or anything like that. But I appreciate all the support you guys are giving me on my YouTube channel, on my website, and on the Instagram page. I really do appreciate it, and thank y'all for that. So I'm just gonna tinker around for the rest of the day, not really do too much. Now I got a whole lot going on. So y'all have a blessed day. Like and subscribe to the channel, and catch you later.